When it comes to selecting the raw materials for our inks, we look to source ingredients that are as low impact as possible. This includes plant-based and bio-sourced materials that can be renewed without negatively impacting the environment or wider community. There are many factors influencing the choice of our raw materials, including the final colour of the ink and the requirements of the sector it is being developed for. Take the food and beverage sectors, for example. Regulations are in place to prevent any harmful materials from coming into contact with edible goods, ensuring consumer safety throughout the life cycle of the product. Materials and chemicals used in the design and manufacture of packaging within these industries has attracted significant global attention over the last few years as consumers seek increased transparency over the substances used. This includes inks for the coding and marking and labelling of products and packaging, which is where Domino comes in. Food and beverage manufacturers need to ensure that all inks used on their products are safe for their intended use, meaning that no harmful ink components will migrate through the packaging or threaten consumer health. To assess whether our inks are suitable for these applications, we perform migration testing. This is where we print our inks onto a variety of substrates that represent the worst-case conditions, such as packaging that has fewer layers or poor barrier functionality, as well as real-case customer substrates. Once the migration testing is complete, we analyse the samples to identify which chemicals pass through, including any unknown materials, which is key for us to learn more from our research and ultimately develop better, safer inks.